Hello everyone, this is Sarah, and today I'm just going to be showing you a really quick video about how to make a housekeeping schedule in your bullet journal. Per usual, I'm starting off with my Sharpie pen and I'm going to do a header at the top, just keeping it simple, just housekeeping, and I'm going to do that in cursive lettering with my usual calligraphy hack. I just kind of thicken the lines manually and it still looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to start drawing some boxes, just kind of spaced out on the page. Some of them have different layouts than others because they are going to have a different purpose or category. It probably looks really strange right now, but soon it will make sense. And after I've done that, I'm going to go back and label them. So the first box is going to be for daily housekeeping tasks. Next will be for weekly. The next box is for monthly cleaning tasks, and it's also going to be attached to a little monthly tracker. And then the last box is biannual tasks, and that is also linked to a mini tracker. At the bottom, I also just have a section for notes in case I come up with anything I want to add later on, or I don't know, if I need something for the apartment. You'll notice that I'm blocking out a lot of these boxes, especially on the monthly tracker, and that's because I started this bullet journal kind of late. I usually would have all 12 months there, but since it's July, I'm just doing the second half. But ideally, you would have all 12 months. I also drew some bubbles for decoration because I thought it was cute. And then after I erase, I'm going to go back with my mild liner, which I didn't show you, but I'll always have them linked in the description because I use them a lot to add color on my bullet journal pages. But I just went through with a little teal one and just gave a little shadow to the bubbles. I also used this color to make the header for notes a little bit more separated. And then I'm just going to fill in the different tasks that I want to do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and on a biannual basis. Pretty self-explanatory. You can put whatever you want in here. You can change the sizes of the boxes. I just kind of filled this out how it works for me, but obviously this is a spread that you can customize based on your housekeeping needs. And yeah, that's my basic housekeeping page. So I'll probably put my daily cleaning tasks as a habit in my weekly habit tracker, and I could also put my weekly cleaning tasks on there as well under the weekly to-do section. For monthly, I can just list that on my monthly goals page, and then biannual tasks I don't really have to worry about till later. Finally, I have the notes section just in case I come up with any other housekeeping ideas, things that I need to add to my routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.